First, we include the necessary modules. We require UglifyJS for the minification process and FS, the Node.js built-in file system module, to write our output to files. Next, we define a string original code containing the JavaScript code we want to minify. In this example, it's a simple function that prints a greeting to the console. We then specify our options for minification. This includes a source map property, where we set the output file name for our minified code, out.js, and the URL for the source map, out.js map. These settings tell UglifyJS to generate an accompanying source map for our minified file. With our setup complete, we call UglifyJS minify with our original code and options. This returns an object result, which contains our minified code and the source map. Before proceeding, we check if the result object contains an error property. If minification fails for any reason, we log the error and terminate the process. Assuming minification was successful, we proceed to write the minified JavaScript to a file named out.js using the writeFile sync method from the FS module. We also write the source map to a separate file out.js map. The source map is a JSON document mapping the minified code back to the original source, which is crucial for debugging the minified code. Finally, we ensure that browsers and other tools know how to link the minified code to its source map. To do that, we append a comment line at the end of the out.js file, specifying the location of the source map. Now, when debugging, tools can use this to reference the original source code, despite it being minified.